Hello, Chef Pierre. So I'm about to carve this apple, and I noticed that my apple core is getting a little bit dull. So what am I going to do? I'm going to grab my diamond sharpening stone, 600 grit, made in America. I like it. This particular stone I like to use with a little bit of water, just a few drops. You don't need a lot of water. And we're going to do if you notice, there's a slight bevel on the inside. It's been sharpened. We're just going to do about a 15-degree angle all the way around, rotating this, and make this just a little bit sharper. Doesn't take a lot, and this particular stone is self-cleaning. I'm going to show you what that means in just a moment here. Almost done. I would say 30 seconds of sharpening is all it's going to require. This little apple core has been through a lot, and that's one of the reasons why it needs to be sharpened every once in a while. Okay, check it out. Yeah, it's a little bit sharper. Okay, I may use a round file and get inside there as well. Okay, that's good. You can see the metal particles right here. The little dots collect the metal particles so that the diamonds keep working. There's a lot of metal in there now, and there was very little before, so these babies work. If you want to score one of these beauties, just support your sponsor right there. And moving along, I'm going to show you just how sharp this is. Okay, I got this beautiful apple here. This is a Honey Crisp. I'm gonna just cut straight through, remove the core. One effort like this, all the way through. There's the core. Came out in a few pieces, but it's out. Okay. Bottom of the apple. Well, just using a small knife, I can remove a little more of this apple on the bottom and get ready to carve it. Selecting a garnishing tool from the Japanese set right here. It's going to go round and round, quick flower pattern. There we go. A couple of just quick flower garnishes for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.